quiz exam and math problems tayo dahil marami pong ganitong lumalabas. Okay, so solve natin at i-analyze po natin tong problem na to. If 16 times a number is subtracted to 8 times the number, the result is 6. The question is, what is the number? Okay, sa mga naghanap pa rin po ng Civil Service Exam Reviewer, meron po kami for only 50 pesos. Complete set, lahat po na scope na examination, and nandun na rin po, just message us on our Facebook page. Yung link po ay nasa bio. Okay, so sabi nga dito, if 16 times a number. Ang hinahanap po dito, itong number. What is a number? So pag mga itong problem, i-analyze po natin at ilagay po natin into equation. So sabi nga 16 times a number. Let n para doon sa number is subtracted to. Okay, so subtracted to 8 times daw. 8 times the number. Yung number natin, let n ulit para doon sa number. The result is 6. So, ito na po agad yung equation natin for this problem. So, pwede na po natin pag-minusin yung 16 at 8 kasi same naman po sila. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8n is equal to 6. So, para matanggal po yung n, i-divide lang po natin both sides into 8 para ma-a1 po yung n. So, cancel po natin yan. N is equal to 6, 8. Okay, dito sa choices natin, wala pong 6, 8. At minsan binibigyan po nila ng twist at hindi talaga nila nilalagay yung mismo na kuha natin. So dito pwede po naman natin itong i-simplify. Okay, kunin natin yung greatest common factor niya na 2. So divide lang natin both side by 2. Okay, para mas ma-simplify siya, n is equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So 3/4. Okay, wala pa rin po dyan sa choices. But pag sinabing 3/4, automatically 0.75 yan. Okay, pero pag hindi pa rin po ninyo makuha, divide lang po natin yung 3 sa 4. So 3 divided by 4. So 0 dyan, naglagay tayo. Okay, decimal 0. 30 divided by 4 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Okay, so 2, lagay tayo ng 0 dito. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So 20 minus 20 is 0. Therefore, the answer is 0.75, letter D. Okay, pag 3/4, laging yung tatandaan, 0.75. Pag 1/2 naman, 0.50. Okay, so the answer here is 0.75. Learn to analyze the problem before answering the question. Kasi nalilito tayo minsan sa mga wordings pagdating po sa exam. I hope you got this one and follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam.